For those who believe in a life best cherished, full of enrichments and possibilities, in good health and wellness for your families, friends, and loved ones, and in the future you've always dreamed of. We are Satoria Agro, an innovative, integrated food processing manufacturer that places consumers' health and satisfaction as our utmost priority. We have always striven to make a difference, fully committed to delivering to you and your loved ones the taste you deserve, allowing you to live life to its fullest. Located in East Java, adjacent to an abundant and pure natural water resource, our 12-hectare factory in Wonorejo, Pasuruan, Indonesia, manufactures food and beverage nutrition ingredients such as digestive-resistant maltodextrin and fast-moving consumer goods such as coconut cream powder and biscuits. We also provide toll manufacturing services to other food and beverage manufacturers in Indonesia and beyond. Our professional team, together with our business partners, aspires to delight and create a symphony of flavors on your palate. Together, we act as a community to achieve our missions in alignment with our values. At Satoria Agro, we are extremely proud of our extensive experience and world-standard manufacturing culture. Our manufacturing plant's procedures and controls accord to the food safety management systems and align with good manufacturing practice and halal requirements. Here, we're always innovating with a passion and striving to become the most novel, world-class benchmark in the food manufacturing industry. We have been selected as a trusted partner of the Indonesian government in improving the quality of life for mothers and children in Indonesia through the supply of nutritious Materna and baby biscuits. Aside from nutritionally fortified biscuits, we also create various types of delicious biscuits, such as cookies, crackers, and wafers, tailored to our local and international consumers' taste preferences. We supply high-quality coconut cream powder at industrial level. Our coconut cream product has enhanced creamy and coconut taste profile that suits various applications, such as beverages, desserts, or cooked foods. We love to work with our customers to meet their unique requirements. Satoria Agro is the pioneer in the manufacture of digestive-resistant maltodextrin in Southeast Asia. Our product, a commonly known healthy soluble dietary fiber derived from corn or cassava starch, is becoming a favorite ingredient in a wide range of food and beverages applications due to its many health and formulation benefits. To ensure that our products are released from our factory with the highest accuracy in global food safety regulatory compliance, we've equipped our quality control laboratory with state-of-the-art analytical equipments. Our quality assurance system always ensures our products are produced to high-standard manufacturing practices in accordance to HACCP and ISO standards. We also have a competent R&D team who cater for the specific taste, nutrition, health, and wellness needs of our customers in the ingredients we supply. We open our doors to providing toll manufacturing services for manufacturers looking for a trustworthy partner. Our facilities include spray drying towers, wet and dry mixers, as well as biscuit making equipments. We are also a proud toll manufacturing partner for spray-dried products to the biggest multinational flavor house company, Givaudan. We wish to bring maximum values to all our stakeholders and bring positive impact to our environment. To do this, we're focusing on 3 areas of sustainable development: the economy, the environment, and society. With a 100% commitment, not only to bring products of an exceptional quality to our clients at competitive prices, but also continuously improve the safety and environment in our factory and enhance our relationship with our community through effective CSR programs. Satoria Agro is a member of the Satoria Group, a global icon in multiple sectors with a mission to enhance lifestyles and create an empowered world. We aspire to be the future of Indonesia's world industry in a quest to bring about positive changes and help the world become a better and healthier place. Each one of us here shares the same vision and passion in the work we do and cares for the impact it has on our health, our society, and our planet.